See, the next we're discussing about the laws of refraction. Laws of refraction. See, what is the refraction means? When a light is travel from one medium to another medium. The bending of light travel from one medium to another medium is called as the refraction. Now, we discussing of the point with the first point. Here say the incident ray, comma, refracted ray, incident ray, refracted ray, and normal. See, this is the incident ray, refracted ray, and also is there is a normal. Lie always lies in the same plane. In the same plane. See, this is the first point. Now the second point. That means incident ray and refracted ray normal as in the same plane. Now second point, the product of the product of the product of refractive index refractive index and refractive index and sine of angle of incidence, sine of angle of incidence, sine of angle of incidence at a point in a medium is constant. So what is the second point? We say that the product of refractive index and sine of angle of incidence, the sine of angle of incidence at any point in a medium is constant. See, that means we can write here the the product of refractive index is denoted by the nu into sine of angle of incidence. Sine of angle of incidence is nothing but denoted by the I is equal to constant. It is a constant. Then we can write also this is the nu 1 sine I1 is equal to nu 2 sine I2 is equal to constant. But here, what is the here I1 is equal to I. This angle of incidence is equal to how much is there here the I. And I2 means the second angle is equal to how much is the refraction, that is there the small r. Then we can substitute here the nu 1 sine I1. So nu 1 sine I is equal to nu 2 into sine r. See, this is called as the Snell's law. This is called Snell's law. What is called this is called as the Snell's law. Nu 1 sine I is equal to nu 2 into sine r. According to Snell's law, now it's taken this side, sine I by sine r. This sine r is taken, that is equal to constant. That constant is nothing but what is the refractive index. Then we can write here the sine I by sine r is equal to nu 1 2. That constant is nothing but what is constant by the nu 1 2. See, the nu 1 2 is nothing but the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. That means what is the refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium. And also we can write this is equal to, we can write the sine I by sine r is equal to nu 2 by nu 1. See, this upper nu 2 is taking the upper value and nu 1 can write the below of the value. See, this is also another formula of A. What is here the Snell's law. And also say that it is defined as the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction. Sign of angle of refraction is of, this is called also Snell's law. This also is called the Snell's law. Now we can discussing about the third point here. So third law. In the write in a vector form. So what we can do, the Snell's law write in a vector form. So the vector form in Snell's law. Vector form in a Snell's law. See here, let us consider this is the two mediums of separation of a surface. The two mediums separation of a surface. Now it is considered the normal. What is considered this as a normal? See, normal is denoted by the n cap. The normal is denoted by the n cap. Now this light is instant on here. See this angle of instancy. What is constrained by the area? The I. Angle of instance, how much is constrained by the I? See, this is called the incident. And after that is a refracted. This is the direction can be traveling by the, it's denoted by the R. Now this angle of refraction is denoted by the R. Now, see, this is the I cap, angle of instancy, and refracted ray is denoted by the R cap. Write the Snell's law. Vector form. What is the Snell's law? Is there we can observe here. Nu1 sin I is equal to nu2 into sin R. In vector form, what is the reason? A bar cross B bar is equal to AB into sin theta. What is the formula? In first year we can learn about in a vector product. There is A bar cross B bar is equal to AB into sin theta. Now here it is the just like of in form of in a AB sin theta. Then we can write in a vector form. The first what is the nu1? We take write the nu1 into sin I. Sin I. I means here the product of A bar cross B bar. The A bar cross B bar is nothing but to I cap cross N cap. What we can write here? The I cap cross N cap. This is right in a vector form because of this two product of is made of angle here. Next, we can is equal to nu2 sin R. Sin R is equal to angle of refraction. Angle of refraction is made of with a normal. That is the R cap cross into N cap. See, this will be the angle of incidency. I is nothing but angle of incidency. That is the angle made by between the incident ray and normal. That is the I cap cross N cap. But here the sin R. Sin R is equal to angle of refraction. The angle of refraction made by the refracted ray and normal. That is a refracted ray and normal. See, this is the equation of what is the vector form. Vector form in a Snell's law. See, this is the three main the laws of refractions.